Alex's big gift for the year, the Lioncheif 30218 Polar Express O-Gauge Lionel train. And he's so happy to have this year. Say good morning, everybody. Christmas morning, Al. He's super excited he got this. Comes with the main car, a coal car that gives all the sound. Look at how fast that goes. A chuffer that smokes. And if you've seen the movie, it has the passenger car, the car with all the puppets, and the trailer, the caboose. And it also has 4 figures it comes with. He thinks the track will zap him. Fantastic set. Say thank you, Santa Claus.